Here's a Lego combination safe I made, and here's the dial. And here is the dial. And here's the thing, the drawer, but you can't open it because it's locked. So, you put in your combination. All I have to do is go to yellow and turn it down. Should be unlocked. And I have quarters stored in there. Now to lock it back up, you just put this back in. Then you can just randomly turn it somewhere. And it's locked. Now, I'll show you how it works. Okay. So, this hole right here, you might not be, well, you can't see it. It's right there. And this thing right here locks into the hole, which you can't pull it out. But when you put in your combination, that drops down into its place. Then you can simply pull it out. And when you just turn it back up, it goes back up. And sorry our TV is on, but I'm doing it in our kitchen. Then you just put that on. And if you want me to show you a tutorial, well, I might just do a tutorial on this. Now, I'll show you one more time. Just turn it to yellow. And there are your quarters. Just turn it randomly somewhere. And that is locked. I can't open this. So, please comment and subscribe, and bye.